Zone Ads, World of Local Business Info.
For Major General Dr. A.V.K. Mohan Garu. He is a hospital administrator, ultra cyclist, adventure biker, mountaineer, marathoner, and a motivational speaker. So over to you, sir. It will be an honor to listen to a few words from you.
Good morning, everyone. Glad to see a big crowd today. Before that, before I speak something, there is Santana, bicycle mayor. Please come onto the stage. Without you and Rao Garu, come. Ravi, please come. Come. Most of you may not be aware, we have two army kids here. Anjani, come. She is army kid. And Monu Yadav. These two, they are the backbones of HCR. They are army kids. That's why they are the Anjani. She is a mountaineer. She is a marathoner. She is a cyclist. She is a model, and she organizes everything so meticulously. Hats off to them. And thank you so much, Santana, for giving me the opportunity today to be with all of you. And thanks for recognizing the services of armed forces, especially in the light of the recently concluded the crisis. Absindur is not yet concluded. Okay, the recent crisis concluded. The way the armed forces, which includes Army, Navy and Air Force, paramilitary forces, BSF, ITBP, CISF and everyone, they all contributed immensely to safeguard against the adversaries. A lot of hype was created because of the social media nowadays, the television. Earlier, during Kargil time, only one lady used to be there in Kargil war, you know, the famous reporter. Now, there are so many channels, everybody wants to go and capture Lahore. So don't go carried away by those social media, the television reports and all. One should have that spirit of protecting the mother country, but at the same time, don't unnecessarily indulge in the gossip and spread rumors. Because adversaries, they want to encash such kind of the rumors. Stand like a rock behind the government and the armed forces. Armed forces includes the paramilitary forces also. See, during Kargil time, I was in the headquarters in Delhi. I was managing the medical cover for the operations. Every day I used to get so many letters. Sir, we want to donate blood. What do you do with the blood? And the Kargil is over. Within no time, everybody forgot. Nobody remembers who is on for who is a Paramveer Chakra awardee. Nobody remembers. My humble request is, please remember 365 days and 24/7 the contribution made by the armed forces to safeguard the mother country against the adversaries. Please remember this. It is not just one day, not just today. Remember the hard work done by the armed forces. It is not an easy thing. You should go and stand near the borders, then only you will realize. If somebody goes and says that I am so and so, nobody bothers. People, see, most of the people, they call me major. Major, you know, when I was a young person, after captain, the major comes. Everybody calls me major, 90%. That is the awareness about the armed forces among the countrymen, fellow countrymen, including the so-called literates. So please remember, please give some importance because we are there for you. You can sleep nicely if we stand on the borders 24/7. Some martyr body comes, everybody, there is a hype nowadays because social media, everybody is there. After some time, they will forget, nobody bothers, including the district administration. Nobody is there to support the bereaved family. So please remember this. When I was a kid, I wanted to join army because the uniform was my passion. When I applied for the exam selection, my first choice army, second choice army, and third choice army. That's how I got selected while I was doing the medicine. And immediately after finishing MBBS, I was commissioned here only in our very own Hyderabad. Long time back. I completed 37 years of service in Army Medical Corps. I'm a doctor. I served everywhere, all over. I was there in the Operation Pavan. You may not be, most of you may not have been born that time. Sri Lankan operations. IPKF was before. I was part of the operations. Peacekeeping force, we went as a peacekeeping force. Finally, we had to start fighting with the Tamil militants. I missed bullets twice. I commanded hospitals in J&K, commanded hospitals in Northeast, raised a multi-specialty hospital in Congo as a part of the United Nations. I've been instructor in officers training school for 4.5 years. I'm a training man. Army headquarters, everywhere. I retired from Pune 2020 during the first lockdown. That was the most difficult task was the first lockdown because I was responsible for 11 states and 4 union territories to safeguard everyone, not only the armed forces personnel, also the civilian population against the COVID-19. So that was my last, and 5 years already completed. I'm going to complete 65 years. Don't carry away with my look. I'm going to enter 66 years. So this is a little bit about army. Because since today's theme is army, coming to Happy Hyderabad, where is Santana? Hi Santana, you have to be here. Without Santana, we are non-existent. He is my dear friend, Santana Selvan, since the time I was in Chennai. I'm very happy to see how he is promoting the active mobility in Hyderabad, walking, then commuting in public transport, cycling. He is one of the main contributors to see the world-class infrastructure right in front of us, the cycling track. Yes, congratulations and keep doing the excellent job. You know why I'm in cycling attire? Because we are celebrating World Bicycle Day. That's why we are here. I do a little bit of cycling. Okay, not much. There are so many. You know why I started cycling? In Lucknow, I was there. Now where is our Corporal Deepak? I disagree with him because he was there in his cocoon only in Lucknow. I spent 10 years in Lucknow. Lucknow is one of the most happening place. It is my second home. Pedal Yatri Lucknow is one of the largest groups in the country in Lucknow. You know, I got the brevets, those the timed cycling events started in Lucknow. I did the first ever night 200 kilometer cycling event of Lucknow on Independence Day in 2016. So if he says that Lucknow is nothing, that means he must be in dreams or flying. So a little bit of cycling I said, no, so I started my cycling again as a cross training for running. That's how that cycle, single speed cycle, it is still there with me. So then I used to do solo riding and all, then went to Chennai, then my actual cycling journey started there. Then I started, joined Chennai Joyriders, got my carbon bike there, it is now 10 years old. Then with my friends, we thought of doing one big event. So that's again a small 4,500 kilometers Tour de Rotary. Or Ravi is here? Ravi Muttaneni? He's just right opposite in that. He is a Rotary president here. Nikam. So we 4,500 kilometers to celebrate the 100 years of Rotary Foundation and also for Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. I am one of the ambassadors of Swachh Bharat mission. So Kashmir to Kanyakumari. Then I thought let us do some another small event west to east. Kutch to Guwahati. You must have heard Bhuj, the famous earthquake. Right? And Kamrup, K2K, Kutch to Kamrup, Guwahati, Assam capital. 3,500 Tour de lines. And to save water. So Hyderabad, we are facing the water crisis. So you know how water is important. So please kindly take this message and save water. Do the water harvesting. Don't waste water just to clean your front area of your house, cars, cycles, everything. Use limited water. That is for save water. And of course, so many other rendeering events and all cycle everywhere, all over the country. Then after retiring here, I thought that I must put Hyderabad in such a high pedestal in the country by doing some event. That is Golden Quadrilateral Highway, 6,000 kilometers, connecting 4 metros in the country. Delhi, Kolkata, Chennai, Bombay and Delhi. With that, so being a Telangana, Hyderabadi, so I happen to be the oldest in the country to finish that in 30 days, self-support, and first one from Telangana. So these are all a little bit cycling. So please kindly take this message and do active cycling. We have got a world-class infrastructure right in front of you. It is nowhere else in the country. So please make use of it, especially people like these high-rising buildings. Just standing in front of this infrastructure. Nobody, anybody from these apartments? Not even a single person. So what's the fun in having this infrastructure? And like somebody said, health is important. So being a doctor, you know, I'm going to complete 65 and entering 66. Non-smoker, non-drinker. I eat only 1 meal a day. Take care of your health. Go for the preventive health checkups. Be active. That is the message is propagating for the last 5 years. Active mobility. So please kindly remember this like a mantra. People, they will say that Har Har Mahadev, Allah Akbar, Jesus Christ, Guru Nanak Ji ki jai. They're all our religious things. Our religion should be active mobility. 24 hours, remember this. Be active. And thank you so much, all of you. And thanks once again to Santana for inviting me for this excellent occasion. Jai Hind!
Jai Hind!
Subscribe to our channel, click the bell icon and select all.